How to brighten a video in Davinci Resolve. So here I have a video that I'd like to brighten. The way that I would do this is making sure that the clip is selected first and then going into color. Here, as you can see, this is the preview window of the video. What you want to do from here, you want to click on this third button right here. And this here basically is the color correction. From here you want to go to gamma, and if I move this around, as you can see, we can turn up and turn down the different colors of the pixels. But what you want to do is keep all of these to 0 and then concentrate on this white one. Now this white one, the bigger the number is, the brighter the video will be. Now let's say we want to darken the video, we can also go into negatives. And as you can see here in the negatives, we can see a bit more detail in the video, but this is brightening the video. And let's brighten it to about here. Let's go to edit, and there you go, we've brightened the video. And that's how to brighten a video in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.